Infinix Note 40X 5G Full Review and Hands-on Experience. Welcome to our full review of the Infinix Note 40X 5G. Infinix has packed this device with impressive features, offering powerful performance and 5G connectivity at an affordable price point. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. First, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Infinix Note 40X 5G handset, a fast charger, USB-C cable, and the usual accessories. Infinix keeps it simple but ensures you have everything you need. Taking a look at the design, the Infinix Note 40X 5G boasts a modern and premium feel. The metallic finish on the back gives it a polished look, and the edge-to-edge display offers an immersive experience for video and gaming. Speaking of the display, the Infinix Note 40X 5G comes with a 6.9-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus screen. The colors are vibrant, and with a 120Hz refresh rate, it's perfect for gaming, streaming, and browsing. You'll definitely notice the smoothness while scrolling through apps. Under the hood, the Infinix Note 40X 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor, offering fast performance for gaming and multitasking. Paired with 8 GB of RAM, this phone can handle heavy apps and games with ease. Whether you're gaming or multitasking between multiple apps, this phone delivers smooth performance. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Infinix Note 40X 5G is equipped with a 64MP triple camera setup. You've got a main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a depth sensor for portrait shots. Whether you're capturing landscape photos, portraits, or close-ups, this camera delivers solid results even in low light. Check out these sample shots we took. Battery life is another area where the Infinix Note 40X 5G excels. With a 5000 mAh battery, you'll easily get through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to charge, the 45W fast charging feature ensures you're back up and running in no time. The phone runs on XOS 12, Infinix's custom skin over Android 12. It's packed with features, and the interface is easy to navigate. You'll find plenty of customization options to make the phone your own, along with enhanced security features. To recap, the Infinix Note 40X 5G offers a sleek design, a stunning 120Hz AMOLED display, powerful performance with the Dimensity 8100 chip, and a reliable 64MP camera setup. And with 5G support, you're future-proofed for fast connectivity. At this price point, it's a serious contender in the mid-range market. So, is the Infinix Note 40X 5G the right phone for you? If you're looking for a solid performer with 5G, excellent battery life, and a great display, this phone offers fantastic value for money.